In this video, we'll show you how to download and install Kirmada. The first thing to do is head over to Kirmada.com and then on the top of the screen here, click on the button that says download for free. On the screen that turns up here, all you need to do is enter your registration details. So we've clicked the link, we see a green message up on the top right saying that the email is verified, and now you can download Kirmada to your computer, whether it's Mac, Windows or Linux. In this case we're Windows, so we'll download the software, open the file and install the software. When it's installed, you'll see a message saying you can run Kirmada, and just click finish and Kirmada will be launched. And that's Kirmada installed. So in the next video I will show you how to get started and create your first two workspaces. See you there.